this is Joe from Blowing the Stink Off, and today we have the July BarkBox. As you know, it's a subscription toy and snack company for your dog, and we signed Stanley up to see what kind of stuff we were going to get. And so far, he's enjoyed everything. So I'm going to grab Stanley, and then we'll open it up and see what we got. So I got this Stanley guy here. We're ready to open up his BarkBox and see what's inside. So let's take a look. Oh, this month is Pool Party Animals. How fun. Oh, I see some toys here. Let's see what we got to start with. So I see a unicorn float, and I see a juice pouch and some snacks, and Stanley, I think, smells them as well. So here's what's inside the box, and now I'll show you what's in there. We'll save the toys for last because that's Stanley's favorite part. So the first thing we got, pork stick recipe chews. Again, we seem to get these every month. Yeah, I don't know why we get these every month. It'd be nice to mix them up a little bit. I'm not sure if Stanley even likes them. He doesn't really care about them too much. The other thing we got is Wakey Soft Bakes bacon and oatmeal recipe snacks. Those could be good. Do you want to smell? Can you smell through the bag? He doesn't smell anything. We're going to open them up and see if he likes it. And we got one out of the package here. Let's see if he likes it. Stanley's not super food motivated, so he's licking it, so that's a good sign. We'll save it for later. The next one we got is Jerky Bites. And these are lamb recipe Jerky Bites. So we'll open those up and see if he likes those as well. And Stanley, oh, he's interested. Let's see if he likes them. No, he didn't take that one either, but we'll give him a chance later on and see if he likes those. He's not a big snack eater, so we'll see. And what he is motivated for are toys. And the first toy is a unicorn float for in the pool. And it's got crinkly stuff. I know it probably squeaks too. Yeah, it squeaks. Oh, look at that, huh? Oh, he wants that. And the second toy we got is a pool boy pouch. Margarita. And a juice box. You see it says margarita. Margarita. And this one probably squeaks too. Oh, it does. It does squeak. I think we should start with the juice box. You want a drink? Alright, that's it for this month. We'll see you next month with another BarkBox unboxing. He approves. Trying to tear right into it and get some margarita.